join us on the farm as we make these easy birch log candles. Cut the log at 7 inches. We're gonna draw a line around the whole log to make sure we cut straight. Cut. Now we'll cut the other side. Oh boy, this is taking an awful long time. The rug's getting kind of dirty. Almost done. Now we have a candle. Let's measure around. See how fat Mr. Log is. Oh boy, he's chubby. 10 inches around. Now it's time to measure the top. This is where we're gonna drill the hole. Here's your belly button. Attach your 1.5 inch drill bit. Sorry, Mr. Log, if this hurt you. Drill. Let's sand down the edges to make it nice and smooth. Okay, Mr. Candle, out you come. We'll get a little nail to keep the tin in. Now pop the candle back in. Get your ruler and measure 22 inches of any pretty ribbon. Tie your favorite ribbon around in a double knot or bow. Now if you want, you can make a tag. You can write Merry Christmas on it if you want. You can cut the corners off to make it pretty. Now it's time to punch a hole in it. You can decorate it however you want. We're selling all on our market stand. So we're gonna write our business name on it. Cut a piece of string. Now tie the tag on. You can tie it to the ribbon. I see someone's toes. They're all the candles we made. Wow, they look pretty. Be sure to watch our next video about how to sell mushrooms and herbs.